Now we will check the comparison. For example, uh, you like to check, can I write about a electrical bike or electrical car? Okay, article about a electrical car. Which one I can take up to write down the content? For that, what we can do, we can select this compare option. Okay, previously only single word you have in search. Now we will be comparing here. Select compare, and I say electric car. Okay, electric car. So it, what it will do, it will search simultaneously for both the options which has been trending most. You can see here which has been trending most, almost similar, but compared to the cars, bike searches are more, and recently it has been taken up, car searches more than the bike. Okay, now you can say that okay, I can search for a, I can write it on a cars also. Okay, and the second thing here you can observe the which part, most of them searching for the cars, which has been highlighted in a red. These are the states where car has been searched most of the time, and which are highlighted in a blue there, about a bike has been searched most. You can see that if you click on this particular Kerala, you can see 38% of them searching, okay, for a bike, and 62% of them searching for a electric car. If it comes to a Maharashtra, it will reverse, 65% of them searching for a electrical bike, and 35% of them searching for an electric car. Those things we can understand by using this particular map. And here also it will be showing that for a bike, what is the search. Here you can say interest for a electric car. Okay, you can go to the sub region, and you can say city wise also you can filter. Okay, where electric bike has been searched most. Okay, for an electric car, which is city search most, like this also you can go with a city wise also. Okay, then here you can check the which one has a trending most in a which area. Okay, for a car, Dadar and here, or Daman, then there most of them searching for a car, only for a car. And electric bike, in the sense, here also you can check, here also you can check about where exactly most of them searching. Okay, and related queries for a electric bike. Okay, related queries for a electric bike also you can see. And not only rising, you can see top queries related to electrical bike, as well as for electric car, which are the car dominated states, and how many searches are happened for that particular topic, and what are the related top queries or rising queries. Rising is nothing but which are trending up nowadays has been searched. Top is nothing but evergreen search topics. Okay, this way we can compare the one or two, or you can add one more comparison also. Okay, whatever the topics you have been listed out, for example, you thought of writing on these three topics, you have a confusion like which topic to be selected first. For that it will help comparison. Okay, by comparing we can come to know that which topic is trending most, so we'll select that particular topic for writing your blog or article. Okay, this is about how can we search for a topic, or we can set on a topic we can search here. The one more thing is that by default what are the trending there in a market, that one also will be able to seen in a Google Trends. We will learn about that in a next video.